Hey fitness fam, it is your girl Shola. I'm your fitness instructor coming at you with another fitness tip, fitness tutorial. This time we're going to talk about the squat. All right. So with the squat, you want to just make sure that your knees, toes, all of that is in nice alignment. You don't want to be putting too much stress and strain on your knees. So feet or in whatever is neutral for you where you can maintain that knee toe alignment. You can use dumbbells. You can do this without weights. You're going to come straight down and squeeze up. Straight down and squeeze up. Now you don't want to have your knees knocking as you come down, and you don't want to have them flaring out as you're coming down. All right. Also, you want to watch your spine. So come down like you're sitting in a low chair, squeeze through the glutes, drive through the heels. All right. Again, we're not rounding and collapsing and then rolling up. All right. So a little trick that I like to use sometimes to get that form alignment, taking a dumbbell or two in between the feet. Let's see, let me move it over. There we go. In between the feet, kind of help lock you in, lock those feet in, sit down and up, sit down and up. That'll help keep your knees open and keep your back in alignment, long and strong. All right, so try the squat. Let me know how it goes. All right, guys, I'll see you for the next video.